What you got?
Mine.
Mommy's bread?
No.
Whose?
Mine.
Is it your bread?
Yeah.
So I love making sourdough bread, and I love my Dutch oven pots that I bake my bread in. If you own one of these, you know they can get dirty really fast, and you have to be really careful when cleaning them. Especially if you're a bread baker like me, these pots go in the oven at 500 degrees. When it's baking at that temperature, the inside goes from white to black. It is not always the easiest job to get them clean. I've tried vinegar, I've tried dish soap, really hot water, soaking it overnight. I did not find any of those methods to work well at all, but I have found a method that works amazing, and it's really easy, and you only need 2 ingredients. Lemons, baking soda. That's it. Here's my pot. It looks amazing. It's nice and clean again, and it didn't take much time, only a few lemons and some baking soda. So hopefully you found that helpful and it saves your pots. Let me know in the comments below if you gave it a try.